Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow microphone access on Google Chrome for your PC, especially after the recent updates. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're not already logged in, it's a good idea to do so to ensure your settings sync across devices. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust various options for your browser. Once in Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to access more detailed privacy options. Now, look for Site Settings and click on it. This section controls permissions for different websites you visit, including microphone access. In Site Settings, scroll down until you find the microphone option. Click on it to open the microphone settings. Here's where you can make a crucial choice. Select sites can ask to use your microphone. This setting ensures that whenever a website wants to use your microphone, you'll receive a prompt asking for your permission. It's a great way to maintain control over which sites have access to your audio input. If you want to manage specific sites further, you can also see any sites that are currently blocked from using your microphone. If there are any websites listed that you wish to allow, simply click the trash icon next to them to remove them from the block list. Finally, while you're in the microphone settings, make sure that your preferred microphone is selected from the drop-down menu at the top. This ensures that Chrome uses the correct device for audio input during video calls or recordings. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to manage microphone permissions effectively in Google Chrome. Enjoy seamless communication on all your favorite sites.